Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Blue, orange, pink, red, green. A,
B, C, D, E, F, G,
say with me.
J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
A,
S, T, U,
A for
U, X,
apple.
Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next
B,
you sing with me.
say with me.
C, D, E, F, G,
B,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
B for
R, S, T, U, V,
ball.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
C,
Next time, won't you sing with me?
say with me. C, C for car. D,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,
say with me.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
D,
T, U, V,
D for
X,
doll.
and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
E,
Next time, won't you sing with me?
say with me. E,
A, B,
E for
E, F,
egg.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
F,
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
say with me.
Y, and Z. Now
F,
my ABCs.
F for fish. G, say with me. G, G for guava. H, say with me. H, H for horse. I, say with me. I for ink. J, say with me. J, J for jug. K, say with me. K, K for king. L, say with me. L, L for lion. M, say with me. M, M for mango. N, say with me. N, N for nose. O, say with me. O, O for orange. P, say with me. P, P for potato. Q. Say with me. Q. Q for queen. R. Say with me. R. R for river. S. Say with me. S. S for sun. T. Say with me. T. T for tree. U. Say with me. U. U for umbrella. V. Say with me. V. V for van. W. Say with me. W. W for whale. X. Say with me. X. X for X-ray. Y. Say with me. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Say with me. Z. Z for zebra. Subscribe for more videos.